Hi kids! Welcome to Kids Learn Basics. Are you ready for today's learning adventure?
Yes!
Alright, let's learn. 3-letter blending. B, E, D. B, E, D. Bed, bed. R, E, D. R, E, D. Red, red. K, E, G. K, E, G. Keg, keg. L, E, G. L, E, G. Leg, leg. J, E, T. J, E, T. Jet, jet. V, E, T. V, E, T. Vet, vet. N, E, T. N, E, T. Net, net. P, E, N. P, E, N. Pen, pen. H, E, N. H, E, N. Hen, hen. Let's read the words together. Bed, red. Keg, leg. Jet, vet. Net, pen. Hen. Do you like to try reading the words yourself? Great! Okay, please start now. Good job! You're amazing! You now know how to read. Just keep on going. Thanks for learning with me today. Please watch and subscribe to this channel so you can catch up with the fun time learning adventures. See you later!